In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Epic Games password step by step so you can keep your account secure and protected from unauthorized access. Whether you simply want to update your password for safety or you think someone else may have gotten access to your account, this quick tutorial will walk you through the full process from start to finish. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games login page. Once the page loads, sign in with the email and password for the Epic Games account you want to update. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to complete the login process before you can change your password. After you're logged in, look for your account settings. Usually you can find this by clicking on your profile icon or account name in the top corner of the page. From there, open the settings area and find the section labeled Password and Security. This is where Epic Games keeps the account security options, including your password settings and verification tools. Once you're inside Password and Security, look for the option that says Change Your Password. Click that option to begin the update process. At this point, Epic Games may ask you to verify your identity before letting you make the change. This is a normal security step, especially if you're signing in from a new device or if the system wants to confirm it's really you. If prompted, Epic Games will send a verification code to your registered email address. So while you're doing this, keep an eye on your inbox. Check your email, open the message from Epic Games, and copy the verification code provided. Then return to the Epic Games page and enter the code where requested. After the verification is complete, you'll be able to create your new password. Take a moment here to choose a strong and unique password that you are not already using on any other account. A good password should be hard to guess and include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters if possible. Once you've typed in your new password, confirm it if required, and then save the changes. After that, your Epic Games password will be updated successfully. It's always a good idea to sign out and sign back in afterward, just to make sure everything is working properly with the new password. And that's it. You've now changed your Epic Games password and taken an important step toward protecting your account. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.